Hi, it's Mrs. Esparza, and I'm going to be going over reed maintenance and mouthpiece cleaning. So, the reed, once you're done, you can just simply loosen the ligature, and you can pop the reed out by just pushing from the bottom, grabbing it towards the top but not at the tip, pulling it out, and then you can safely set down your mouthpiece and barrel. What I do is I take my swab and I wipe the reed off to get all of the water off the reed. And then I have a reed guard that I put my reed into. The flat side of the reed is going to go into the flat side of the reed guard. Notice that my reed guard has numbers on it because I alternate my reeds. And I use a different reed each day so that I'm breaking in these reeds. And I have 4 good reeds ready to go to play on. And I have another reed guard that has 2 more reeds. So I have 6 reeds going all at one time. And I can be working those in. For the mouthpiece, all you simply need to do is remove it from the barrel. If it's in your case, you pull it out and you are going to run some water through the mouthpiece. Okay, I wouldn't have the ligature on at this point. You can have that back in the case, and the water is going to run through the mouthpiece. There is a brush that you can use that will go into the mouthpiece, and I'm going to make one more video for you if you would look for it later that has me in front of a sink where I can actually show you how to do this properly. Thank you.